Alright, so guys, first things first, you want to come to your diagram, the one you sketched earlier on. Then you're going to File. After File, you want to click on New. Then originally this stuff is going to be shrink, so I expect you to expand it and come downwards to iso.iw and create. So after creating, you come to base and we drag this somewhere. This is our front, right? So let's do the math. Our diagram was front of our plan times side, right? So if this is our plan should be down here, then our side should be here. Why is our side here? Because our side was on the right hand side in the original diagram. So yep, side times plan. So this is our normal 3D drawing. And you click OK. So the next thing you do, you come here, you right click new sheets and you click on base again, then want the top. So you come to OK and come to section. Then you touch the diagram, you drag here and make sure your line is straight. These sections, you right click and press continue. These sections is for you, then you drag it upwards. Yeah. So here is our diagram. Make sure you like and subscribe.